Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Airpods to iPhone. So if you found it helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. So we are going to start by going in Settings, selecting Bluetooth, and turning that on by toggle on the switch. Now I'm going to remove my device from the list to show you step by step how to connect Airpods to iPhone. So once Bluetooth is turned on, we need to enable pairing mode on the Airpods. For that, start by opening the lid on your Airpods. And then on your phone, you should see this pop-up window that you can connect not your Airpods. Tap this option and then press and hold side button for 5 seconds. If you cannot see this pop-up window, then open the lid on your Airpods. Press and hold the back button till this indicator will be blinking white. Great. And now on your phone, tap Connect. Wait a few seconds, and now Airpods are connected. Also, you can see some suggestions to set up Siri on your Airpods, so you can do that as well. And for that, you would need to say out loud everything you see on the display. For example, "Hey Siri, send message," or "Hey Siri, how's the weather?" and so on. So you'll see the option to set it up. And if you wanna disconnect them from your phone or forget device, then tap Info icon and choose one of those two options. Here you can also rename them as well as set double tap. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.